Hello. Today we're gonna be unboxing our fidgets. So we ordered these and they came. So let's open it. First we're gonna open this little
fidget.
Okay.
Like.
Yeah. Like.
Some Smith. This is good.
Wow. Okay. You open this. What's I'm opening this. Winnie. Never mind. Wow! This is so cool! Wow! Wow! I don't want to go. Wow! Wow! These are so cool! Wow! Tangle. Got it. Oh wow! This is so cool.
This one won't trade.
Yeah. Okay, let's open now the big one. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's open this one now. Oh, this one's so big. Okay, let's open it right here. It opens right here.
It's a
Dude, how do you open these? Got it. Wow!
Wow! My camera.
Gentle.
Check.
Gentle.
Two.
Gentle. Gentle. And we got a rainbow. Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, wow. These are really nice. Here, you try this. Never mind. Wow. Look at this. Okay, here's the squishy. Oh my god, we have so much things. We have silver. We got these. I don't know what these called, but they're cool. Emojis. A wacky tracky. Another one. A keychain. And another cute emoji. Another squishy emoji. This thing. Another squishy. 2 monkey noodles. One of these again. And these. Oopsie. Timrane propajte. Fritzny. Dobra. Oh. Yay, they got a pie. I got a dimple. Why are these so small? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. This is so cool. So this is a dimple. It pops like a pocket. Wow, I really like this one. There's this squishy. It's like Yeah, it sticks. Wow, this is so squishy. Okay, we got more. Let's open more. Ooh, wow, this is so
really stomach.
Yep.
Really
So cute. We got this one. Yay, squish. We have more. Aquarium. You're so sad. Yeah.
so beautiful.
This. Oh my god.
I know.
Oh my god. Hey, got it. I'm gonna open the emojis. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Take it. Cabo.
Why? Aww, this one's so cute. It's called it's a cute animal, but it's a hedgehog. It's cute. This is like a cat, but this one's big and soft. This one too. Let's open this one. Oh wow.
This good I know.
Look at this emoji. This one's pink. Let me open this. Yeah, we got a blue one. 2. Oh, we got Odin. Okay, let's open this. Can I try this? Ah, this hurts my fingers. Damn, this is so small. I transferred these in parts. Wow, these are so cool. They're so horrible. This is a rainbow puppet. I didn't even knew that I was getting a rainbow
This is a
puppet.
Mikey Merle.
Hej, rätt sin style, vad säger?
Mikey Merle. Poppers.
Oh, a dimple.
Dimple.
Oh, wait, Poppet.
Squeeze.
Yeah. Emojis. Hade. Hashtag också. Här är det. Dobra. Cat. It's a cat. This one is like... I don't know what's this called. Oh my god. But this is a keychain. Oh, we got a blue one. Nice. Nice, we got a blue one. A blue keychain. So these are all our fidgets. There's a lot of fidgets that we got. We love it.
Oh, so taste me.
Imran, what was that, Tebe?
Da.
Emoji! I'm in love with this emoji. This is my pet for now. Squeezy.
This is sign of monkey.
I'm so impressed that I got everything. This is how you play with a puppet. You just squish it. Yeah. Like this. This is the the quiet side. This is the soft side. You don't know what's the soft side, what's the loud side. So yeah, This is a squishy. It comes with 4 squishies in different colors. If you see, it can like stick and squish. It can also stick to the wall and come back in a minute. Like, look at that. Like that. Wait. Some of them don't fall off. Some of them fall off. So this is a keychain. This is a keychain. What you do with this is you just do this.
Bye.
You just twist it. I don't know why is this a thing. You just twist it. Twist. This is a monkey noodle. If you see, it's like a hand, that squishy hand, if you saw it. It's really nice. It has purple, or it has a lot of colors. It's really soft. There's these emojis too. What you do with these emojis is you just squish them. We got 3 emojis. Not a lot, but that's okay. If you see, I don't know what's this, but this hurts. Don't get this, kids. This breaks. We got 2 silvers and now 2 golds, but this one broke. Poor little thing. This is like, I don't know what this is called, but this is really fun to play with. There's more. We got red, yellow, blue, and lime. These are pretty colors. Okay, so the next one is 2 wacky tracks. Wacky. What you do with these wackies is you just do this. They're fun. They come with other colors. What's the cool thing? Yeah, you can take out and put this. You can like, here, I'll show you. You can make a double wacky track. If you can see, okay, it's hard to do it, but yeah. They're long, they're really long, adorable. So yeah, and the next one is a depot. Yeah, we got depot. This one's like the yellow puppet. I don't know why this came so small. These are supposed to be big, really big. So yeah. Yeah, this one's the big one. This one's the medium one. This one's a little medium. This one's small. This one's really small, which is a mini one. Yeah. And we got these 2. These are like those spiky things, but they're black, they stick. Yeah, there are a lot of those, like 100, but these are like big and they're not like black ones. So, the next thing is, this is a tango. It comes in all the versions. It's just like the wacky track. You can get out these. Yeah, you can see that's why there's cracks. It's like the roof cracks. There's a lot of, there's snow, grass. There's a lot of them. This one's like, yeah, in the jungles. They're cool. I got a lot of them. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe